Alright guys, so we're back, and I see a lot of people enjoyed yesterday's video of us having fun in the sun with the jet skis and Ogita doing 100 miles an hour on the water. And we made it back just in time before the sun set. Also, we cleaned the jet skis, hooked it up, and headed over to the East Coast, to Miami. And woke up early this morning and hit the road one more time. But this time, we're going south to the beautiful Florida Keys. And guess who's coming along for the ride today? Yes, you guys are. So let's go with the show en la calle. And if you guys been down here, you know exactly where we're at when you see the blue meridian dividing the road. And right down there is the beautiful, world-known, famous Gilbert's Tiki Bar that we hosted here at the Miami Boat Rally. You guys remember? You guys saw the video? Well, if you didn't, I'm going to leave the links below if you want to see the videos of the Miami Boat Rally being hosted at Gilbert's Tiki Bar. And definitely, you can't get the skis out in the water without full tank of gas. And you guys already know, gas prices through the roof. And normally it takes us $110 to fill both jet skis, but in this situation it took $170. But the high gas prices is not gonna stop us from having fun in the sun. And we have reached our destination, and check out these beautiful houses. And I guess we have another friendly jet skiers coming along for the ride too. And something that I like doing while I'm towing the jet skis is leave the plug open, so like that all the water from the inside drains out. But make sure you put them back in before you put the jet ski in the water like we're gonna do now. And like you're gonna notice the wind blowing against the palm trees and the water, this is gonna make it a very bumpy, wet ride that I'm not sure if I'm gonna see myself riding the jet skis today. But when it comes to the kids, those conditions don't matter. Well, now I'm gonna go ahead and park the trailer and help the kids dock the jet skis. And I don't know about you guys, but this house looks beautiful from the outside. I can't wait to see the inside. Wait, you got the rope out? Get the rope. You got the rope?
There's one in here.
Huh?
There's one in here.
The rope?
Yeah.
Oh,
No, I'm not gonna make a long.
check it out, guys. We're here at this beautiful house at the Florida Keys. 3 stories with a great view. There you go. We brought the jet skis over, and we got I guess like a 30-something ready white. We got 2 more jet skis over there, and look at the view. The only thing is it's kind of windy today, so it's gonna be a wet ride on the jet skis. But it's all good though, as long as we're in the water, right? Check it out, beautiful. Look at this view. Here we go. Let's check out the inside. Look at how cool. Wow. Beautiful. Look at this. Beautiful. Love it, all this blue. Check out the kitchen. And this is the best part. Right there. That's the best part. And to be honest, I don't know what looks better, the inside or the outside, because I think both are gorgeous, and loving the nautical decoration. And I was wondering how long they were going to wait before they jumped on the jet skis, win or no win. Well, and there they go. And definitely, you know they're going to get wet because it's kind of choppy out there. So while they get wet in the bay, we're going to cook up some burgers.
La de la casa es donde. Y estamos vueltos locos con eso, ¿sabes? Sembrando y haciendo cosas. Ahí está donde estuvieron los muchachos el fin de semana, botaron más que carajo. Mira, esto lo podemos cortar esto a mitad, porque estamos mirando por ahí.
Well, if you guys know me by now, you know this is the best time of the day for me. Oh, and talking about time, I would like to thank those people that purchased already their Sausage Time t-shirts. Thank you so much. And I think I'm going to have to make some more because they're almost gone.
That's right, I'm up. Yes, sir. The Fresco Channel. Fresco Channel. Are you recording? Yes. Oh, shit. Fresco Channel. I love the Fresco Channel, bro. Sandbar life, bro. Sandbar life forever. Inspiration. Go. This is the channel. Go. Oh yeah. Only for sandbar life. Joe over there doing some snorkeling with where's Alexis at? Where Alexis go? Did we find anything? No. Catch any lobsters? No, I'm playing. Nothing good, nothing good. Yeah. Gotcha. Already know. Oh. Sponsor. You wanna know? Fresco Channel. Gas leak. Where? Oh, it's probably from the other jet ski. I don't know why I'm holding a plate right now. So let's hop in.
Y especialmente para esta.
Para el abdomen.
No.
Tengo un poquito.
Dice que está haciendo dieta.
El ceviche. Como yo tengo ceviche.
Making that ceviche.
¿Cómo es el chef?
Dr. Limón. Dr. Limón.
Este es enfermero Limón.
It's a lot of
Hoy
churrasco.
no es sausage time, hoy es churrasco time.
Yeah.
Churrasco time.
Alexis is still swimming.
Okay, so the stomach is full and it's time to waste some energy out in the water. So we're going to jump on the boat and take a little cruise.
Anda, para casarte.
And definitely it's going to be a little tricky getting out of here because the wind is pushing the boat towards the mangroves. So it's going to be a challenge. But that's the part that makes boating more interesting. But no worries, I know we can do it. And And definitely, it was tricky getting out, but we did it. And look at this, the wind gust must be at least 25 to 30 out here.
Wave to the camera. Say Miami, baby. Say Fresco Channel. Yeah.
And we ended up going to the nearby island because it's too choppy and windy to travel far, while the kids take advantage of the jet skis and have some fun in the sun.
Cogiendo aquí sol con aire. No es.
Hay que disfrutar cada momento como quieras. ¿Cómo la está pasando, Fresco? ¿Bien?
Bien, aquí en, ¿cómo se llama? En Los Cayos.
Tienes que coger el verano ahora para Rodríguez.
Sí.
Well, we lasted about an hour and a half on the boat, and the kids running around with the jet skis, splashing each other and jumping the waves. But the wind picked up and made conditions a little chillier. And remember, this is winter for us, so we decided to head back in. And remember, guys, if you want to follow us on the daily activities, you can follow us on all social media platforms. Fresco Channel. So what do you guys think of this beautiful house in this beautiful location here at the Florida Keys? Me, loving it, the view, location, and the house. And feeling really glad we got invited to this beautiful place and got to spend the whole day here with the kids and their friends and families. It's funny, Ogita's the mom, but yeah, she's the smallest one in the group. But well, it's time to pick up the skis and get them cleaned up and get them ready to hit the road. And like you saw, the conditions wasn't ideal because it is very windy and it's still a little bit chilly in the air. But hopefully we'll be back this summer again to enjoy this place even more. And remember, where there's always water, sand, and sun, you can never go wrong. Well guys, I hope you guys like this video of this beautiful place here at the Florida Keys, and I would like to thank the owner, Alexis, for inviting us and being a fan of the channel. And it was a pleasure taking you guys along for the ride. And most definitely, I would like to thank you guys for watching and sharing the videos with your friends and family. And glad we could bring a little bit of splash of water into your life. So let's keep having fun in the sun and catch you guys next time out in the water.